Hi, welcome to No Grandma Glamma. And this is like the 100th take of trying to record this video. There have been so many interruptions that first I did my eyebrows. I was gonna go ahead and do it on camera. Then my eyebrows done, about to, edit it. Then my primer, color corrector, my concealer that's in there. Well, this is a corrector also. So I have the orange corrector on and the yellow corrector. All I have to say is family. You have to love them. So anyway, we're going to go from this and hopefully I can be successful on this video. So of course my eyebrows is done. I use the CoverGirl. And it's like a powder. Like a powder on my eyebrows. I use the L.A.Girl concealer, warm honey at the top and light of L.A.Colors at the bottom. I have the orange corrector on for L.A.Girls plus the yellow corrector. I just put it in my little dip here, my little indent, I guess you want to call it, there. And it's been sitting here because I had to take care of some things. But I'm back and we're just going to start from here. Yes, I have a colorful wig on. I'm not finished styling it or customizing it as of yet. I'm still learning how to customize with the BeBe hair and all that jazz. So no further ado. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot that I primed already also. I had two actually. I had a invisible oil blocker gel primer, which I did prime with. And I also had the choice of a invisible oil lock mattifying. I know I'm saying it wrong. Mattifying. So I primed with that. I also did a primer under my under eye. It's a Smashbox photo finish hydrating under eye primer. So, and of course, I'm going to say what I've been saying on my latest videos. I am doing the foundations that I had on hand already and have not used. But yeah, makeup has a expiration date on it. So, without further ado, let's get back into the tutorial. So, I'm trying to debate, do I want to put another primer on my face or just go ahead and go in. I don't know. And I decided to go ahead and use the black Opal foundation. I had 3, and I had Truly Topaz. That's this one. Truly Topaz, and this is Heavenly Honey. Heavenly Honey. This also is Heavenly Honey, and this is the True Color Mineral Matte Cream Foundation, Powder Foundation. So I decided to go with, since I have both of the Heavenly, I said let me go with the Topaz, True Topaz, because I believe that's darker. So, of course, I'm not a full coverage girl. So I'm just shaking it up. And I'll pump, you know what, I have the foundation on this side. I don't have it on this side. I don't know how to do this, but I'm going to do it. So I'm going to pump one pump. I was going to do a pump and a half. I'm going to pump one pump. It's a lot to come out. And then I'm going to go ahead and start using my Parasilton brush. Who won the game, babe? Who won? The Bears? They beat Green Bay. I'm going to go ahead and take my beauty blending sponge before I highlight. I'm going to go in with my L.A.Girl concealer. and just highlight. Oh, baby.
Can we see your phone?
It's on my bed. So I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye area and all the areas that I highlighted. This banana powder that's in here. And it's gonna be this one at the end. This is from BeBe's. So now it's time for eyes, while that's setting or baking or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go in with this BS Cosmetics. It's a 4 Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette. And it's one of the older palettes. I'm gonna go in with that purple there, and I'm going my e.l.f. blending brush for the eyes. And put that in my crease. And take it all the way down. And just blend it out. I'm gonna go in with this BeBe Nudes eyeshadow palette. And these are the colors. Okay. I'm going to go in with that muddy color, which is here, and add that to my crease. But not going all the way. I'm going to circle motions. I'm putting a little on my lid. So I'm gonna go in with the BeBe's highlighter and blush duo. There's no number on there, but this is the highlight. This is the blush. It's very pretty, like a burgundy. See my hair? So I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna apply it on my lid. Now I'm going my NYX Professional Makeup Air. So I'm gonna take my NYX, that pink, and put it in the beginning of my eyelid. The purple and blend all my colors together. I'm gonna go with the Anastasia, and I'm gonna take this as a spirit, and I'm gonna take that yellow and just dust it across in inside that purple, in between that burgundy and purple, just a little bit. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. lip liner and put on my wing. I'm gonna take my Benefit Real mascara. I'm gonna go back in the NYX and put that pink in the beginning of the bottom of my lash line. To use the Mega Slim Wet n Wild for the bottom of my lashes. It's in black. And this is how I look. It's really small. Going to lips. And going to these NYX mini lipstick. I think it's like 3.8 that came in it. So it came with this nice little bag. And you can put the little mini in there. And I really didn't think of it. Cairo. This is Cairo. Both of them sitting there right. Let's hit the A-brow. Let's see. And these are matte, I want to say, because I feel it drying. So I'm going here with this color. It's like a lower pink, and this is called Ant Work. Now matches the hair a little bit more. So now I'm gonna go on purple. Got like 4 or 5 lipsticks on. This is absolutely crazy. So I'm going with this Aurora by Anastasia to highlight. And I'm going to go in with Eclipse, the very first one. Yeah, my little BeBe's 150 brush. And going to the Eclipse. BeBe do it on a highlight, but BeBe highlighters I really haven't used any water or spray. Let's go into some blush, which I can go ahead and put this in since I used to for my eyes. Well, let's see. I'm gonna go in with the brush my nephew gave me last year. I'm gonna hit that just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with the BeBe's again. I'm gonna go and hit that end color. It's kind of reddish, but apply it lightly. I'm also going to take that color and put on my nose. I know I did things kind of backwards, you guys. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. I'm gonna let my wig down so y'all can see the floor of my wig. Well, this is my wig. A little ponytail, however it goes. It looks very cute down also, which I'll be showing you, but not right now. I'm still customizing this wig, and I love the colors. Like I said, this is makeup supposed to be fun. So before you leave this channel for Glamma, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button, like button, and my reminder button. So I can only keep growing if you guys share it. So you guys have a nice week, and I will see you soon. Glamma.